Hello, I'm Stripathon UK. I'm back making videos. Now, this is my old wire stripper, my hand crank one, and I stopped using it because to me, it was taking up too much of my time. So I had to upgrade to electric wire stripper, which I got last summer. Obviously, you know that I stopped doing videos. I'll explain in a later on video why I stopped making videos. Now, I've got some nice armoured cable 4-core. I've obviously took it off the sheath. It's a nice, I don't know what mill it is, but it's big stuff. And obviously I've got some more here. Now, I'm going to be stripping a lot of cable. I've got a big box there of cable. Some bags of singles. What are they? No, we can't really see them like that, but you know, it's all copper. Another bag there. Got a bucket there full of cable that needs stripping. Another bag of corded cable on there to get through. So I'm gonna just plonk it on here and we'll get set up. Just get my Stanley knife out so I can show you the sheath off. Quite easy, and this will not go through there. It's just too big to go through. It'll get this size through, no problem. This is a lot smaller stuff. Just to show you properly there. No, that's 5-core, that I think, yeah. Now, it will. I'll show you anyway. You'll see. Take very long at all to get through anyway. I don't want to see that, like, but I'm just showing you for the purpose of the video. With this. Bag. Just take the armour off. It's just like the last piece to do. That's just a bit of steel from the steel tub. Yeah, it's just the same stuff, but I've cut this to size, so I'll show you. Just set it perfect, yeah. once you get the bite on it, it's perfect. So there's one nice long piece of Bear Bright stripped already. Doesn't take me, what, 10 seconds maybe? Not even 10 seconds. That's just about finding the bite. I can see just needs to be a little bit more. Another piece done. So I think, to be honest, like if you wanted to get through a lot of cable in a day, say you're on time's money, isn't it, for some people, and you wanted to, you have the lot, you want to get it out fast as you can, I'd definitely invest in an electric wire stripper rather than a manual one. Like, you can use your vice obviously to strip armed cable, big stuff like small stuff, you know, you can make your own stripping contraptions. I just don't like wasting all my time messing about. I'd rather get the job done fast. I'm just whacking it on the vice to split it. Once you find the right biting points, go through obviously this gauge cable, no problem. So I've got a lot of cables that could be stripping. Like I say, it's just rinse and repeat. Like I say, now I found the bite, should just be straight through. Just move it off a little bit. As you can see, like, I'll show you all along there where it's cut through it. Running out of room there, hitting the ball. So like it's best, I'd say, let's measure this. Because obviously with my workspace and my bench, like 27, yeah, about 27, about 2 foot and a bit length is ideal on here for me. And as you know, my garage is quite messy. through again. Let's try some small gauge stuff. Wobble a bit when it goes through, but other than that, it's perfect. I would recommend this to like beginner scrappers, so it's going to be a lot quicker, especially if obviously they come up to getting on a cable or any type of decent wire, because it's going to save them time. It'll save anyone time really. You can't see what I'm doing, but I'm just the bite. It's like you've got to get it perfect. Oh. Second time round, easy peasy. What do I do? These like smaller lamps. I mean, with all the cable I've got, it's going to take me a good day or two to get through it all. Whereas I think if you use like hand stripping all this a week, and that depends on all like how many hours you spend in doing it. If you want to spend like an hour doing it, you're not going to get very far. I mean, with a quiet stripper, you can get quite a lot done in an hour. I just feed this through, keep feeding it through. I'll ask them to open my vice up or adjust the screw on my handmade wire stripper. Take the sheath out of this, off this again. I mean, for what it's worth, the time it took me to just do all this doesn't take long at all. Where it's going to take someone ages to do it. But I think you get the gist. You know, I'm not going to waffle on them anymore about how fast you can strip cable, because obviously there's always someone there so that can strip that easy peasy with a kitchen knife or whatever, you know. When I had my manual wire stripper, I had my drill on it, but I didn't have the right connection on the end. But I haven't got the drill in here, so there's no point in me even really going on about that. I'll put that in the video. And I'm going to carry on stripping obviously what you've seen, and I will show you some results. I'll get back to you shortly. So I've done all my stripping, all my bare bright, cable stuff what you've seen earlier, and as you can see, that's like what I've stripped today. It's even done a little copper donut or two on there. Like I say, it's some nice stuff. Obviously bare bright is nice, pays the best, and I did get some prices at the scrap trade centre. So there's some prices. Household £2.23 a kilo, singles £3.50 a kilo. Bare bright is £6.69 a kilo, and number 2 £6 a kilo. So there's some amazing prices there. I'm going to start on part 2. Stripping that like singles, but I'm not sure if it's going to be number 2 or bare bright, because it has a different not as bright as this, but it may go as bright. I don't know. I have to see Robert at the yard when I go in for the weigh in. Also, yeah, I got myself a package came for me today off Amazon. I'll show you what's in. Let's see it to be fair. Myself a high power headlamp for when I'm out at night. And it's rechargeable as well, I think. What's this? It's a nice little case. Just have a little look at it, see what it's like. Yeah, it's not bad yet. So as you can see, it's quite bright. Bright light, bright light! Shine some bright light on my bright wire! I'm just messing. Yeah, it's a nice little gadget. I do like torches. Yeah, you'd be able to see them on my bike as well. Yeah. Just thought I'd show you that. Part 2, like I say, we'll be stripping all the cable, like the corded cable, and we'll, at the end of it all, we'll weigh it all, see what we get. Thanks for watching. Hit the like, hit the share, subscribe. Catch us in part 2 coming soon.